Take a ride in the 2021 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.